Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make Gmail account without phone number. Before beginning the video, if you are using the Shopify, you can get it for only $1 your first month instead of 32. So you want to type in Google Gmail, and then you want to click on the first option right over here. It's more likely going to load up your email, but if it has loaded up your email, just go to the top right on your icon and then just click on add another account. If you're not signed into any account, you're just going to get this message. So you want to click on create account. For my personal use your first name and last name if you want. Add your birth date, your gender, click on next. Username, this can be whatever, click on next. Create a strong password, no need to whatever. As you can see, this time is asking me for my phone number to confirm I'm not a robot. I don't know how it works, sometimes it asks, sometimes it doesn't, but at this moment it's asking me and I have to input my number. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.